Hello and welcome to Mashable's Air Friday, where we air fry anything and everything in the name of deliciousness. I am culture reporter Tim Marson, and this week on Air Friday, we are air frying tortilla pizzas. Now, like a lot of our recipes on Air Friday, this one comes from TikTok, where people are obsessed with air fryers, and it comes from the account Adriana Magnon. I hope I said that right. This is promising to be a really simple kind of snack, lunch, whatever. So what I have here is 2 flour tortillas. I have some pizza sauce. I just got this out of a jar. This is supposed to be a really simple recipe. We're not doing anything crazy gourmet here. Shredded mozzarella, straightforward stuff. And then this is just some oil with garlic in it that I used a garlic press, and some dried parsley or whatever kind of Italian herb you have will be fine. So the first step is real simple. We're gonna take this oil and garlic mixture and give it a little baste on one of the tortillas. We're just gonna get some of that garlic down, get some of that oil down, and then we're gonna take a nice handful of the mozzarella and just plop it right down on the one tortilla that already has the oil and the garlic. Now what you're gonna do here is take the other tortilla and put it right on top and kind of flatten it down. What you're creating here is basically a quick and dirty quesadilla. And you're gonna use this as the crust now for the sauce and cheese, your typical pizza job. So I'm gonna take the same brush that I had there, because oil and garlic never hurt anybody. And we're gonna brush a nice coating of sauce on. So now we have a nice coating on our top tortilla. We're gonna put more cheese on it. It's pretty straightforward. Build it like you're building a Lunchable in 8th grade. We're gonna put some more cheese on top of it. That was the best Lunchable, the pizza Lunchable. I know it was kind of gross, but it was the best. All right, I've got a nice layer of cheese on the top now. Time for some herbs, just to make yourself feel a little fancier when you're air frying a tortilla pizza. It's really all it's for. About 400 degrees, 5 or 6 minutes is what the TikTok recipe says. I think it might be done sooner. My air fryer usually is, but we're gonna throw it in there and hopefully in a few minutes have a cheesy, tomato-y, garlicky, tortilla pizza-y thing. So our tortilla pizza has been in the air fryer for actually about 3-4 minutes, probably a solid 4. And it looks done. Again, watch your air fryer. The recipe on TikTok said it might take 6 minutes or 5 minutes. It really depends on your air fryer. And again, everything's already we're not cooking meat here, so it's fine. You can just cook it to the doneness you like. It looks like I'm at that point here. So let's give you a little peek up close. Got some charred cheese. The tortilla on the edges here looks kind of cooked. I'm gonna let it rest for a second. Hopefully, so I don't scald the top of my mouth when I take a taste test, and to try to let everything settle a little bit so I don't lose structural integrity when I cut this thing open. So if you want to take a look at it, it's really cheesy on the interior here. Got the 2 layers of tortilla, got the crust on the top. That's not bad. I mean, it's kind of weird, but it's not bad. It's like, if you get a fast food pizza, sort of like your Domino's, Little Caesars, really thin crust where it's almost like cracker thin, where they're trying to emulate, that real thin New York style. If you're in college and you have an air fryer and you go out on a Friday night and you have 1, 2, 7 drinks, whatever, this is like a spiritually perfect drunk food. It's like the late night snack to end all late night snacks, where you kind of are almost disappointed with yourself how much you like it. This isn't bad, I gotta say. It's really not that bad. It's pretty good. Pretty good.